Look at that moon. That's cool. That's probably my #1 top tip for everyone. Whenever you see cheap fuel, even if you don't really need it, just get it. Because the prices here are so varied, even from one town to the next. I've just been past sort of 5 or 6 petrol stations that were all late or high 150s, and then I've just seen this one which was 146, I think. Yeah, so you know, it's over 10p cheaper. So I had half a tank, but you might as well get it when you see it. That should see me through now, all the way across, just about. There's only 210 kilometres till Calais. I can't remember how far it is in England. I think it's about 200 miles actually. So I might need to get a bit. But yeah, so there you go. Tip of the day. It is 2:38 AM. Still going strong. 153 kilometres to go. Now, just need to find somewhere to pull over so I can figure out how I'm getting across that large bit of water between me and England. Just need a lane while, isn't it? A bit bloody foggy. Apparently it's not a very popular spot for the old motorhomes. The old car park to myself. I'll tell you what then, just open the window. Got a face full of fresh air, like cold. Oh, it's nice. Nice change. Not melting for once. Right, better check the ferry before I make coffee, just in case I can't get one today, because otherwise I'll be buzzing my tits off. Oh, you know what, it's borderline cold. I might need a jumper. Bloody hell. What am I doing? I've lost the plot, everyone. Driving for like 15 hours sent me a bit daft. I'm hungry. Oh, I got biscuits. Yeah, well, where are they? Right. May have f***ed up here. Booked a ferry. 5:45. Did it all, and then because I was really close to the port, but it said after I'd flipping paid for it, it's like you have to arrive 45 minutes before bloody departure. So I might have just lost 120 quid. We'll see. I reckon I might be in trouble here. God, I've just had an absolute mare. Such a tool. Went to the bloody DFDS one and it's P&O. I didn't even look at the booking. What a knob. That might have screwed it because it leaves. The ferry leaves here in 10 minutes. I got straight through passport control. Well, not straight, obviously they searched the van, but I got through quicker than I expected. So I was like, we're good, we're on. And then I just fucking done that. What a tit. What a monumental bloody soul. If I miss this ferry, I'm going to be fuming. 120 quid. Oh yeah, it was a lady that searched the van. She had a look round and she goes, nice van. The French girl. If I get to this terminal and they say you've missed it. Oh no, this guy's got pets and everything. Oh, f me. Oh no. Oh, I've got to get the pet out. Oh my. Are you for real? All I can see is this guy's arse crack. And my ferry leaving. I'm not going to make it. It leaves in 5 minutes. That's it. That's it. Off. How you doing? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, missed it. I think 6:45. At least I didn't have to pay any extra. Oh, I'm the last one in the queue. Of course I am. We're here. That was a bit of a stress, but we are here. And we will be sailing to England in 1 hour. This should be pretty funny actually. I'm going to get there at 10:10. Like, back to... I'm going to go to my mum's house. Because that's where all my is. I've not even told anyone I'm coming back, so I'm just going to turn up. She'll have a bloody heart attack. Oh, sunrise, eh? Sunrise. How are you? Look at that. That were an awful weird ferry journey. I've not been on one at normal people time before. Normally I'm always on like mad ones. 2 AM or something, whatever. So I normally, when I go on the ferry, I just sort of go to the deck and just stand there and watch for an hour, you know, because it's nice. Now there was a moment and a seagull, as they always do, came and landed about a foot in front of me on the light. I was just looking at it, just enjoying it. I thought I won't take a picture, I'll just, you know, take it in. I shit you not, at one point there must have been 10 people with phones around me. One was leaning on my shoulder. I know I film what I'm doing on here, but fucking hell. enjoy your life a little bit, you know. You don't have to film, just enjoy the moment. The cliffs of Dover, people were pushing me out the way so they could get a photo. Like, it's going to be weird driving on the left again. You know what, I always find it harder coming back to England and going on the left than I do going into France and driving on the right. I don't know why. Every time when I come back, I'm like, I remember on the last trip I nearly got cleared up by a bloody lorry. Oh, is that the door noise? I think it is. There we go. Back to English soil. Oh, this feels bloody weird. Oh. Left, 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 left. Oh man, it's not even been that long. Why does it feel so weird? Oh, my head is completely gone right now. I've already gone the wrong way. It's my flipping country. There we go, we are back on the English. Back on the English roads. I've got 184 miles of motorway and so, yeah. This is the motorway, man. Come on. What the hell? Weirdest thing just happened. Someone recognised me on the motorway. If that was you, you're an absolute legend, and I was definitely not prepared for that. I thought you were trying to tell me something was hanging off my van or something. Barely hear what you were saying. That was brilliant, that is. In the lorry on the M25, you're an absolute legend. You've made my day. So we don't run out of bloody fuel. Imagine, just before I get home, that'd be great, wouldn't it?